Welcome. If you're ready to turn off the passcode on your Telegram app and make accessing your chats even quicker, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable your Telegram passcode in just a few moments. First, make sure your Telegram app is up to date. This ensures you have the latest features and security settings. Once you're ready, open the Telegram app on your device. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen. Depending on your device, you'll either see the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, or your profile picture. Tap on that to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can customize your Telegram experience. Now, find and select Privacy and Security. This section is where you manage all of Telegram's privacy features, including your Passcode Lock. Within Privacy and Security, look for Passcode Lock. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your current passcode. Go ahead and enter it to access the passcode settings. Once you're in, you'll see the option labeled Turn Passcode Off. Tap on this option. Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to disable the passcode. Confirm your decision, and that's it. Your Telegram passcode is now turned off. Now, when you open Telegram, you'll go straight to your chats without needing to enter a passcode. This is perfect if you want faster access to your messages, or if you're the only one using your device. Remember, you can always turn the passcode back on at any time if you want to add an extra layer of security in the future. Thanks for following along. If you found these steps helpful, consider sharing this with someone who might need it. Enjoy your streamlined Telegram experience.